Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to connect Mongodb to N8N. First, go to the N8N platform and click on the plus icon in the top right corner. In the search bar, type Mongodb and click on it. You'll see a list of available triggers and actions. Select Insert Documents or any action you want to perform. Then, click on Select Credential and choose Create New Credential. Now, select the configuration type, either connection string or values. If you're using values, enter the host, the database name, and your username and password. Once everything is filled out, click on Save. Then go back to your Mongodb node, choose the operation you want, like Find, Insert, or Select. Enter the collection name, such as webhook, and then fill in the required fields depending on your operation. After setting it up, go back and run the node to check if the integration works successfully. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.